I'm Alex Gamblin, the Inventory Manager of JourneyCan, and I will be narrating the process of receiving and recording inventory. All 300 koozies will be delivered directly to the residence of Ron White, a member of our inventory team. Ron will first count the inventory to make sure all of our Journey cans are accounted for. Then, each of the other members of the inventory team will do a recount for certainty. Our vendor liaison, Isabel, will contact Crestline immediately if there are any problems. The inventory will be stored in a locked room at Ron White's house under 24-hour supervision. Inventory will be counted every Friday at 1 p.m. Then, Ron will go into the inventory log and record that we received all 300 units. Every time an item is sold, this number will automatically go down. All of our inventory sheets will be locked so that all of the company can view, but only the inventory team and our president RJ can edit. Each member of the company will need to contact Ron directly in order to pick up the Journey cans. After each member picks up the inventory, Ron will have the members sign out how many they took. Lastly, when the company member has delivered the product, they will contact a member of the inventory team so they can mark that it has been delivered successfully to the customer on our inventory sheet.
Everyone in the company will be given a folder that will contain receipts, an envelope, and a hard copy of the sales log. This is intended so the team members can record their individual sales. Every time a sale is made, it is to be recorded on the paper copy of the sales log sheet. Each sale made will include the date, the contact name, the contact form of communication, the quantity of items sold, and the payment made to the company. The sales log sheet will also include a running total of items sold, revenue, and individual sales. When a customer purchases a Journey can, the salesperson will fill out and give the consumer a receipt. The receipt will have a date, the salesperson's name, the payment amount, and the consumer's name. The salesperson will then put the cash in the envelope and keep a copy of the receipt for themselves. This is intended as a way to verify the transaction's details at a later time. Once finished with the transaction, the salesperson will record their sale on a copy of the sales log sheet. Every Monday, the envelopes will be collected as well as the hard copies of every individual sales log. Once the money has been recounted by the sales team to exclude any errors, the envelope will be sealed and signed by the head of sales. Every sale from the past week will then be recorded in the sales record sheet in Excel. Only the sales team and the company president have editing access to this document. The rest of the company can only view the Excel sheet. Once all sales and money have been accounted for, the envelopes and receipts will be given to the head of the accounting department by the sales department head, Garrett Bell. Once the money has been given to the accounting department, it will be recounted to avoid any mistakes, then it will be recorded into the accounting team's Excel sheet. The money will then be deposited at the bank every Friday by either accounting head Nathan O'Donohue or company president RJ Appleberry. We also plan on selling items online. When an item is purchased and the payment goes through, the transaction will be recorded and the customer will receive a receipt in the form of an email. At the end of every week, the sales records will be sent to the accounting department as well.